Hi, my name is Paul Lawver. I'm with the Uline Corporation, and I'm here at Apt Appliance in the Chicago market. Today we're going to talk about door adjustments on a 5-class Uline refrigerator. As you can see here, in this particular case, the door is out of level. It's a little low on the left, it's high on the right, and there's a very easy fix for that. To do that, you open the door, just peel the gasket out, and I'll have my friend here, Freddie, hold that gasket for me. And inside the door, there are 2 Torx 25s on the top hinge and 2 Torx 25s on the bottom. They sit in the track of where that gasket is. Now, in this case, with the door being a little bit low, what I can do is the actual screws are a little bit loose, and that's why the door is leaning to the left, is just readjust that door and then retighten the Torx 25s at the top. And if I close this, even though I don't have the gasket on it yet, you'll see that that door is now perfectly level across the top. Once the door has been adjusted properly, you're going to put the gasket back on, and it's advisable to start in all 4 corners first before you put it back in the track. So start in one corner, get that position in there nice and tight. And you can see that that top right didn't go in quite right all the way. There we go. I can feel it. You can feel it go in the track. There we go. And then run your fingers and push that gasket back into the actual track around the whole entire surface area. And if that gasket's not put in that track completely, what can happen is when you pull the drawer open or the wine rack, it can actually catch that gasket and pull it back out of the track. So it's important that you start in all 4 corners and then seal it around the tracks. So one final requirement when it comes to installation after you've adjusted the door is to install the mounting bracket on the unit. What this mounting bracket ensures is that the unit does not shift over time in the opening from use. So opening and closing the door several times throughout the year. To do that, it's very simple. Again, Torx 25. Remove the top screws. Put the bracket in behind the screws, like such. Once everything's tight, unit's in the cabinet, you're going to fold that out 90 degrees. Then you're going to take your mounting screw and mount it through here and into the adjacent cabinet. So pretending my hand is the cabinet, you're going to screw that into the cabinet. That way, over time, when this door gets opened and closed several times throughout the year, the unit won't be pulled out of the hole, and then the unit, is going to look flush, year round. So